Hey YouTube, it's another college football game day. The Gamecocks going up against Vanderbilt, and the Clemson Tigers are going to be playing Georgia Tech. May the best team win. Something fast and easy for college tailgating, smoking and grilling some Kielbasa Beef Sausages on the Weber Kettle. So you stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Got these Kielbasa smoked sausages from Sam's. As you see, this package here are the jalapeno beef, and this package I had in the freezer, these are the regular. They're not hot. So I'm going to do some of each. For me, I like them a little spicy, and the others, they like them regular. So here's the setup. That's what we have for today's cook. It's a simple setup. I got my BBQDRAGON shelf over here, which I love. We've got the slow and sear dripping griddle by Adrenaline Barbecue. Just very simple. We're going to fill this up with some hot coals, sear those sausages, and then move them over and offset cook until they're done. And so we'll get that rolling in just a minute. Hang with me. We're going to cover this up a little bit and let it get good and hot. We'll be right back. Hey guys, I want to take a minute to give a couple of shout outs to a couple of channels that I watch a lot and I think a lot of. The first one is BBQ Pit Dog, old Rob. That's a great channel. He's got a bulldog named Duke, and he's in on every cook, and at the end of the cook, old Duke's waiting there, you know, for his little treat. So go on over and check out BBQ Pit Dog. You'll be glad you did, and subscribe while you're there. The next channel I'd like to shout out to is Cast Iron Skillet with Chef John and Rebecca. Those are two great people. They're over in the Charlotte area. They're not far from me, about an hour and 15 minutes away, maybe an hour and a half at the most. But they cook all kind of stuff. They're good, fun to watch. Always have some good recipes. So go over to Cast Iron Skillet. Make sure you spell it right. There's several channels out there with cast iron in it, and check that channel out and you'll be glad you get it. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Tell them Phil sent you. Phil in Florence. Thanks.
Hey guys, back on another game day. It's halftime right now. My Clemson Tigers are winning so far. I hope they keep it up. Today we're going to cook kielbasa. Phil's going to do that on the grill, and I thought some Spanish rice would be good with this. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'll show you how we're going to put that together. It just has rice, peppers, onions, garlic, and lots of spices, and fire roasted diced tomatoes and tomato sauce, cooked all in chicken broth. So I'll show you how we put all this together, and we'll be back. Okay. First of all, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in here, probably around 2 tablespoons. And we're going to also put 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let that melt before we do anything else. So I'll be back with you as soon as this gets melted. I'm going to add the onions into the melted butter. And the red bell pepper. And we're going to put the rice in. And we're going to cook that until the rice is golden brown and the veggies are tender. So we'll do that. Okay, we've got this rice looking just like we want it, a little golden, and the peppers and onions are getting tender. And I'm going to add 4 cloves of chopped fresh garlic. And you want to cook that for about a half a minute or so till you smell it cooking, that fragrance. Now we're going to add 1 can of the fire roasted diced tomatoes, and you don't drain this. You want to put all that in there. And also 8-ounce can of the tomato sauce. Let's just stir all this goodness together. And next, we're going to add the chicken broth. And I'm putting 2.5 cups of chicken broth in here. Start coming to a boil. Okay. And now we're going to add all our spices, ingredients. This is salt and pepper, paprika, chili powder, and cayenne pepper. And the amounts will be in our description box. Okay, now we're going to bring it to a boil and then cut the heat back to simmer and let it simmer for about 20 or 25 minutes. Cover it and
time to put these puppies on. I think I'm just gonna put the original over there on that side. I sprayed them down with a little oil, so if you see a little sheen on them, that's what that is. I think I'm gonna move them all the way back because this fire is gonna get hot. I got 5 of the original and 6 of the jalapeno. These are Kielbasa Beef Sausage. Okay, I'll bring this one in like that. Start my timer. Just for the heck of it, because I got one. I'm going to put the vents over there over the meat. Alright, we're going to let that go. We'll be back. What we decided to do is put some asparagus on while we're going with this. Cook on the Weber Kettle with the sausage and the red rice. It's actually Spanish rice. I'm going to put a little oil. Rub it down. Put a little, squeeze some lemon juice out. That's a half a lemon. Then we're going to go down with some It's Incredible from Heaven Made Products. Thank you, Michael Petrie. You need to try that out. Go to heavenmadeproducts.com and give it a try. Some of the you'll want to keep some around all the time. Alright, we'll rub that together a little bit. Now we'll go on with some Parmesan cheese. Just a nice little covering of that. And then we'll go take it, put it on that Weber Kettle. I'll be back. Alright, my temperature's got up pretty high. So I think my sausages are done. I'm going to take them up. I want to keep these on one end because these are the jalapenos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I had 6 of the hot ones. 5 of the original regular. Yeah. That's good. Okay, I'm just going to put this asparagus in and let it sit in this cooking pan here, broiling pan or whatever you call it. It's got the holes in it. Just going to let that go for a little bit. Not long. We are cooking at some high temperatures. It's come down to 300. You notice I said down to 300. All right. The sausage is cooked for 35 minutes for those of you who are interested. Jalapeno, kielbasa, and regular. What's this called?
This is Spanish rice.
Spanish rice. Oh, I like that.
And it's just a little spicy.
Asparagus and yeast rolls. Mm-hmm.
We'll do a taste test of the
Yes.
Spanish rice. Mmm. Mmm.
Does it pass?
It's good. Spicy. This would be great if you added some shrimp to it.
Ooh,
oh, it'd be
yeah.
great. Just enough spice. Really good. Y'all need to try it.
Mm-hmm.
How about cameraman? Okay, cameraman, you want to go in for it? What do you think?
Role reversal. Let's go in for a bite of Kielbasa jalapeno beef sausage. I'm just going to take one right there off the end. Ooh, I can see the jalapeno in there. Very good flavor. That's going to go excellent with that red rice, that Spanish rice. You need to get that recipe off the out of the description box. I'll have it down in there for you. That's our Saturday night cook, our tailgater special. Clemson just won.
Yay, go Tigers!
I hadn't watched Carolina. They were playing Vanderbilt. I think they won.
I think they won too.
They were ahead like 10 points at the half, so we'll have to go back and see. I have it recorded. So I hope your team won today. And until next time, this is Phil and Florence and
Janet and Florence.
That's right. We'll see you later.
Bye.